Hi, and welcome to Let's Cook. Let's dive into the world of flavors with chole, a cherished chickpea recipe that brings together two of my beloved ingredients, the ever-versatile chickpeas and our delightful surprise element, tea. What sets this recipe apart is the unique addition of tea, providing a subtle yet welcome bitterness thanks to the tannins. Tannins, naturally found in tea, are renowned for their stringent, bitter flavors and their remarkable ability to bind with proteins, making them a perfect match for our chickpeas. Cooking, in essence, is a blend of simplicity and science, and this recipe is a beautiful example of that. So let's put the science aside for a moment and dive into the practical magic of cooking. Into the hot oil goes a bay leaf, crushed cardamom and cinnamon stick. Let them release their essential oils. Our usual suspect, onions, go in next. Mix the onions well. Now reserve this tea liquor for later use. Be safe here, the liquor is hot. You can see the change in color. At this moment, discard the tea bags. Now back to the onions, let's give them some attention. Make sure you keep stirring the onions. Add ginger garlic paste. Again stir. In goes the Kashmiri chili powder for that lovely color. Keep stirring. Cumin powder. Then goes chana masala powder. Salt to taste. Add a bowl full of tomato puree. Mix it all together. The entire cooking process, from the moment the rich tomato puree joins the onions, spans approximately 20 to 25 minutes. The tea liquor joins in and it gracefully blended into the onion tomato mixture, infusing it with its unique essence. The amount of tea liquor is according to your preferred consistency. And now the star of our show, the chickpeas, makes its grand entrance. Taste test is a must. Almost done. Add garam masala or any meat masala. But wait here, supporting characters are coming. Please make sure you dry these chilies well, otherwise they'll splutter. Remove the chilies from the heat once you notice a subtle char developing on their skin, perfectly enhancing their flavor. I hope you've enjoyed the flavors and techniques we explored together. If this recipe has intrigued your taste buds, please consider sharing it with your friends and fellow food enthusiasts. Garnish with charred chilies, onions, coriander and ginger matchsticks. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.